you're looking for a winner, looking for a 10, looking for supreme, looking for a queen, just roll with me. If you're looking for a winner, looking for a 10.
Since the coronavirus is going around, they checked before we came inside. They checked to make sure that we didn't have a fever. There's a lot of people in here, by the way. And so now we have to fill out this coronavirus questionnaire. You see? So yeah, that's great.
Okay, y'all. So Shay like this Puerto Rican.
First of all, light is a strong word. I didn't like him. I said he was cute.
He was light skinned. His hair was like, what his hair color he was? I don't know.
It don't matter, just get to the point.
But y'all done dare me to tell that boy to my sister like her. But I didn't do it. My mama did it. She don't say so.
Y'all better not do that, but she did it.
She told me not to do it, but she did it. What kind of stuff that is? What my mama say?
She said. So my mama was like, hey, where are you from? And he was like, I'm from here, like Puerto Rico or whatever. And so she was like, oh, my daughter thinks you're cute.
And he said, well, thank you. Like, is that all you gotta say?
Oh, look at how pretty my sister's so looks like a chocolate bar.
You look like you should
I like this one too. Not that just How you say that in Spanish? Hold up. Look, Shakes coming from me. Right. I don't know how to turn the light on. Somebody turn the light on. What's behind this curtain? Your house. I mean. They got a curtain. Give me my key. You gotta turn the key in. This is nice though. This is nice.
Oh, I might be sleeping in here with you, Vicky.
All right, Vicky.
I might be sleeping in here with you, Vicky. Might be sleeping in here with you.
You said that.
I haven't slept on Greg. Cause look. You got a couch and everything.
Okay. What's this right here?
That's the joining room.
Mirror right here.
Oh. Okay. So next, let's go to Shay.
Mirror right here.
I could replace me with Pam.
Okay, let's go.
Is that what y'all want to do?
Can I get a piece of gum?
No, nay, nay.
Oh don't know what's that one.
8193.
No,
8191.
No, nay.
Oh. Let's hold this, Yana. My sister just broke the door handle. Tell them how you did that.
See, I was trying to close it and it went poop.
Y'all like the shades? Quay.
Oh, they gotta come fix this.
Glass.
Period.
And it's their fault, cause they still broke.
You broke your man self.
Stop doing it.
I got a bag.
Let me see what's in here.
Wow. Okay, now this is my bed, guys. So, a lot of my
You look huge like that.
my subscribers, if you ever want to come live with me, or not come live with me, but if you ever want to come visit me, come stay with me, let's go on a vacay. This is your room. So, you know, all your belongings you can keep on that side. We share the bathroom and the closet. Let me show you. Okay, come on, let's show you. Oh, first, wait, look. We have a very important component of the room. This is the balcony. So when we make it to the islands, we can wake up with this open and we can see the islands, especially Barbados. I'm very excited for that. So we're gonna
Yes,
pick that
Rihanna,
from them.
please be there, baby girl.
Riri, I'm pulling up at your crib. I also have some champagne that we're gonna pop. So that'll work. And whenever y'all come stay with me, y'all have your own private bathroom. It comes with a butler. She's here.
A lie.
This is going to be your toilet, own private toilet. You know, all the what do you call it?
Personnel.
No, all the privacy you need is here. And then this right here is the shower.
Yo, just
Very clean and just so organized.
We got 2 showers.
I make sure that my
this is the
stylist and my personal assistant
y'all,
on
the
their
sink
job.
is right out here, bro.
The sink is here, so
It's very convenient because
also
say you're
you guys
eating.
with some sea breeze soap, so that's kind of awesome. Don't worry, guys. The butler will not be sleeping in your bed. You too first, can you flex?
Did I get it?
Move! Oh, I don't have I got on my expensive shirt, baby. You can't afford these, so let me go.
And give it to me.
Okay, y'all, update. Let me go.
You want to take your place? Take your door knock.
Okay, so here's the thing. Some of my students follow me on here. But anyways, as I was saying, y'all, my students follow me on here, which is really weird. I try my best to like hide my channel. Like they would ask me about it and I'll be like, no, that's not me, that's my twin, but they know. Some of them know. So I'm not going to be able to post what I want to. Like I'm gonna post still, but I have to be mindful that my students are watching me. So yeah, just know that I have the unlimited adult drink package. So if you know, you know. It's unlimited. So yeah, it's lit. If y'all are teachers out there and y'all have students watching you, like, what do y'all do? Like, you know what I'm saying? It's just very awkward. It's very awkward. So.
Make Tim and Vicky on the team, and y'all.
Well, Tim, don't start. Oh, this way.
And it smells so good.
It's so good. This is Miami Vice.
I want some.
With a touch of blue.
Where you at? So I just got done eating. I had some wings. I couldn't vlog because my camera was charging. I had some. That look big. What else did I have? Chicken fajitas. Bomb. I kind of want a hamburger now, but I do want a hamburger right now, but I'm trying not to be fat. I'm trying to lose this double chin, so I don't think that's a good idea. But I am gonna go get some ice cream. She's on like woo. So it's about 7. Wait, let me see. 7:35. So we'll be leaving in about an hour and 30 minutes.
I mean, you wouldn't be in the water. You land on this,
Well, that's you dead. There's a doorknob.
it's better in the water.
No, you have a better chance surviving if you fall in the water.
Yeah, but then the impact of the water can be so hard.
Yeah, but ain't gonna be the impact of no concrete.
And then a shark can come on swim and get you.
Okay, that's a if. You know that if you fall from here, you dead. I want to get in the hot tub. People in the hot tub. I think I'm gonna wait till tomorrow and do that though.
Y'all, call her name and sit her down. Auntie!
Duck. Shut up. Watch this. We have to peek and see if they're looking. Yes, they're looking. Shut up.
Tim!
Y'all, my mama them gonna beat us. Let's see. Is he looking?
Vicky!
You know, I know my knees ain't that strong, baby. I ain't got no mega knees.
I swear I saw a video like right here.
Are you drunk?
Not in the least big. Y'all dare me to push her in? This is the kids club. They told us parents want alone. It says leave us alone. We don't need your education. Enter at your own risk. Go away. That's cool. We say warning adults, no access, keep out, no trespassing, leave us alone. She sees.
So you should have told me we were hiding.
No, I saw you.
Running through the window, and I was like, okay, where they going?
We have a gym here which I probably won't use but need to use. It's kind of big too. It's huge actually.
These guys are dedicated.
Like who come on vacation to work out? You know? So the horn just blew y'all and we are leaving. Getting ready to leave. Sitting in the hot tub. Okay, y'all, so real quick, I'm gonna give y'all this lighting is bad. All right, real quick, I'm gonna give y'all a little synopsis of the cruise so far and like my experience thus far. Mind you, I've been on here for about 8 hours. We just left the port about an hour ago. So real quick, usually all the cruises that I've been on, we've left out of New Orleans, right? Okay, so it's more so local. So for this cruise, which is a Norwegian Epic, we had to fly to Puerto Rico. So everyone here had to, you know, come to Puerto Rico and then board here. It's not the type of crowd that I'm used to. Like usually all of our other cruises, not that there's anything wrong with it, but they will play more R&B, blues, and my type of music. Like usually we could Cupid Shuffle or Biker Shuffle, Wobble, Bunny Hop, that kind of things. Like here, it's more Puerto Ricans and white people. I think it's us and maybe about 4 other black families on here. It's a pretty big boat, so we're one of the only black families on here, so keep that in mind if you would like to come, depending on what you prefer, your preference. And so yeah, I think that's the only bad thing. It's not as diverse as I would like, which means they don't play my music. Because usually on the other ship, like I said, they play like dancing line music that, you know, we can all get out there. I haven't danced yet. They in the room?
Yeah, they've been back. They came back before us because they said there was nothing to do.
Oh. But like I was saying, it's not anything wrong with it. It's like a cultural shock, I guess you can say. It's just like they play more Spanish music. So yeah, I just keep that in mind. If this is your first cruise, I would not recommend you come on the Norwegian Epic. I would prefer you, I mean not prefer, but I would recommend that you start with like Carnival, because it's a vibe. I mean, this boat is really nice. This is probably the best boat. No, this is the most luxurious boat I've been on. It's very, very nice, so I give it that. It's just when it comes to partying, I don't know if I'm going to be able to turn up how I want it to turn up. So I guess I'll see tonight, because we're going out tonight at around 12 o'clock. So I'm not going to add that in the vlog though, but I'll let y'all know how it goes then. You like some stuff with some bop in it? Okay, this ain't it. It ain't got no bop in it. You know what I'm saying? It don't. You know what I'm saying? If you like to step in the name of love, this ain't it. If you like the Dougie, this ain't it. You like the what's the song? You want to back that thing up? I don't think this is gonna be it. But like I said, I haven't been to the nightclub yet. Yeah. But that's it for this vlog, y'all. Stay tuned. I don't know where our first stop is actually, but stay tuned for the rest of my travel series for the rest of this spring break. Thank y'all so much for watching and subscribing and liking and sharing. So yeah, I'll catch y'all in the next one. Peace.